What's the crack? Welcome back to the channel. I'm BENIDORM. In today's video, we're taking an evening walk around the old town and what you can expect if you're coming to BENIDORM in the winter months, and where you might want to come for an evening walk or a drink. So we've just come off the food street, really the start or end of Calle Gerona, whichever way you look at it, but most definitely the quieter end, where you'll find Winner's Sports Bar and the Halfway House, both really popular with British tourists, and a whole host of restaurants, Indian, Mexican and Italian, so plenty to choose from. Couple of Spanish restaurants and bars in this area. If you've just found the channel, I'm Walk with Neve, and I share new walking tours, travel vlogs and hotel reviews from right here in Spain, Ireland and the UK each week. I try and upload videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So if you want to be kept up to date when I upload new videos, subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. And if you like this type of content, consider giving the video a thumbs up. That tells YouTube to push this video out to other people considering visiting BENIDORM. On the right here, Holiday Shop. I always find it's a bit like Alley Hop, but not as good. And a really popular hotel to my right, you might be staying at if you're visiting BENIDORM, is the Hotel Madeira Centro. It's 4-star, and if you get the chance, the hotel offers a sky bar and terrace with amazing views over BENIDORM, and you don't have to be a guest to visit. But after a night out in the old town, you might want to come down here. A couple of fast food options, KFC, McDonald's and Popeye's Chicken, just off the Plaza Triangular. You might just be able to see them on screen now. Bingo Plaza if you do want to have a game of bingo while you're in BENIDORM. There's a couple in the old town. I'm sure someone will say exactly where in the comments. So there's still remnants of Christmas here as well. Lots of people I speak to are going to be coming to BENIDORM for the first time this year. And coming in the cooler months is often a good time to get a feel for the area. A lot of people find that they have a totally different holiday each time they visit, because there's always something new or something happening. Whether it's Cheltenham, Benifest or Fiestas, BENIDORM is really what you make of it. And you've got a Starbucks here as well. I'm actually surprised it's lasted this long, and surprisingly it does be popular. We're just coming up onto Calle Gambo, another really popular street here in BENIDORM. I do get a lot of questions and messages asking whether BENIDORM is safe, and as you can see, it's perfectly safe. But like with all tourist hotspots, exercise caution with your valuables. Keep them safe. On this street, it's one of the main shopping areas here in BENIDORM, or you can just come for a coffee and people watch. It's a very relaxed vibe. Something I was shocked about, and I knew Benidorm was huge, but a channel member told me recently that Benidorm holds a Guinness World Record for the most high-rise buildings per capita in the world, and that really shocked me, because people slag off Benidorm for the amount of skyscrapers, but yet still go to New York shopping at Christmas. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you're coming to Benidorm and you're on a budget, 2-sleep apartments is a really good option. We filmed a review in there recently. I'll drop a link to that review in the comments section below. And beneath it is one of the best pizza places in Benidorm, Pizzeria La Palmeria. A slice of pizza is €2.60 and there's all different toppings. The pizzas are all freshly made as well. Perfect way to end a night in the old town. So at this part of the road, we can continue to the right and walk along the walking street to Poniente Beach. But I think we'll head left, and if you're looking for the perfect spot to come for some drinks, a cheeky cocktail, Gin Tonic Street is where you might want to come, and it's perfect for people watching. I love walking down the street. There's always a nice vibe, and many of the bars have heating on the terrace, so it's nice and cozy on a winter's evening.
No me entiendo.
Hotel Alameda on the right here, another budget-friendly hotel here in the old town. Let me know if you've stayed there in the past or you're planning on staying in the future. I've got lots more exciting content coming up, so if you did enjoy this video, then be sure to drop a like down below, and if you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button. I've had a few of you ask me how you can support the channel. I do have a members page on this YouTube channel. If you sign up, you can get exclusive content as well as early access to all the videos, and you get a cool wee badge next to your name, so when you comment, people will know you're a member. There's also a buy me a coffee link down in the description. I don't really talk about it too much, but if you just wanted to buy me a coffee, that's there. But you don't have to. Just watching this is more than enough, and I appreciate all the support you give me. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.